FlexClip has just released 3 new features, and I'm going to show you exactly what they are. And the first one is the Chroma Key option. I already have some footage in my media bin, so let's add that to the timeline. Simply use this plus sign here, and I'm going to use this one here as my green screen overlay. We use this icon here, click it once, and all I'm going to do now is just gently adjust it to fit the project screen, like so. And then all I need to do here, we got this new option here, Chroma Key. Use the eyedropper anywhere that's green, click on it once, and then use the intensity slider to tidy it up. Look on the edges, you'll see it disappear, and there you go. Look how awesome that is. Now if I wanted to, I can just add a little bit of audio there to really sell that illusion. Let's have a look. Voila. How quick was that? In less than 1 minute, and I chroma keyed my project. So now let's have a look at the other options. The next new update is reversing your video. So all I've done here is I've gone into the video library, ride a bike. I found a nice clip. I'm going to add that to the timeline. Let's have a small preview like here. Clearly a bike going from right to left. And what I want to do is reverse it. And this is how simple it is with this new update. Highlight your clip, right click, and you'll see here reverse video. It literally takes a few seconds, or depending on your clip. And now you can press play and everything goes backwards. That's kind of cool, and this is very popular when you see things like people jumping in the pool and then they reverse it and jumping back out. But the new features is there, and it gives you more creativity. The third new feature or update is called the freeze frame effect. So here I have a footage of basically a guy on a motorbike jumping up in the air, and I like to freeze this very moment. Simply right click, freeze frame, and it will insert a clip or a still image into your project line. And you can do some pretty cool things within FlexClip. For example, we could remove the background. Let's do that. Let's remove the background, AI background removal. You can download the image. I've already done this, so I'm just going to click out of that, close, and I'm going to grab that little image here, basically use it on the overlay track like so, and I'm going to replace this clip with this background here. So literally just swap it out. Now watch what happens. I've got this clip here. I'm going to fit it to my project size like so. Pretty cool effect right here. And then what I can do, I can add my title. So let's do something very simple. Let's create a title that says start, and I could do something as simple as, I don't know, airborne. So let's write in airborne. There you go. Let's fit that to project size. Oh, there we go. There we, beautiful, beautiful. And these are the sort of fun things you can quickly create in FlexClip with all these new features. Let's have a quick look. Oh, a little bit off, but that's okay. There you go, airborne, and it'll just carry on into the next clip. There you go. It was just a matter of updating it properly. So there you go, all 3 new features brought to you by FlexClip.